How do the Geneva Conventions address treatment of prisoners of war? In recent discussions about international law, the treatment of prisoners of war has come to the forefront. With ongoing conflicts around the world, many are asking how the Geneva Conventions protect these individuals. The Geneva Conventions, especially the Third Geneva Convention, outline specific rules for the treatment of prisoners of war. These rules are designed to ensure humane treatment and safeguard the rights of captured combatants during armed conflicts. According to Article 13 of the Third Geneva Convention, prisoners of war must be treated humanely at all times. This means that any acts causing death or serious injury to prisoners are strictly prohibited. Respect for the dignity of prisoners is paramount. They are entitled to protection against violence, intimidation, insults, and public curiosity. The detaining power, which refers to the authority holding the prisoners, is responsible for their welfare. This includes providing adequate food, shelter, medical care, and hygiene. The Geneva Conventions also explicitly forbid torture and cruel treatment. No form of coercion can be used to extract information from prisoners. Article 12 of the Convention allows for the transfer of prisoners between countries, but only under a binding international agreement. The transferring power must ensure compliance with the Convention during this process. Furthermore, the rules regulate conditions of captivity, including a prohibition on executions without a fair trial. Challenges often arise in multinational operations, such as those conducted by the North Atlantic Treaty Organization. The interpretation of custody and responsibility for prisoners can become complex. Clear legal guidelines are essential to prevent inconsistent treatment and violations of international humanitarian law. Recent reports have brought attention to violations of these rules in various conflicts. Accusations of unlawful detention, torture, and extrajudicial killings of prisoners of war have surfaced. These actions representing serious breaches of the Geneva Conventions and fundamental principles of international humanitarian law. Overall, the Geneva Conventions provide a detailed legal framework to protect prisoners of war. They mandate humane treatment, prohibit abuse, and assign clear responsibilities to detaining powers. This framework aims to safeguard human dignity, even during armed conflict.